PPT on important events of Indian history, Gandhian era 1917 to 1947, Kakori train robbery. Good morning, Honorable Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Vishwanan Satpathy of class 8D, KV number 2, CRP Bhubaneswar. Today I am going to present my PPT, which name is Kakori train robbery conspiracy case, which took for our independence of India in 9 August 1925 between the Kakori station and Lucknow by our brave freedom fighter Ram Prasad Bismil, Thakur Roshan Singh and Ashfaqullah Khan. Explain and details of robbery. The Kakori conspiracy was a train robbery that took place between the Kakori and near Lucknow on 9 August 1925 during the independence the movement against the British Raj. The robbery was organized called the Hindustan Republic Association, which in the short form is HRA. And this is the explanation how the robbery was planned by the Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, and Chandrasekhar Azad, Sachindrada Bakshi, Keshav Chakravarti, Manmant Gupta, Mukundi Lal, and Munari Lal Gupta, and also Banwari Lal. The main plan of the robbery. The robbery took place at the town of Kakori, about 10 miles and 16 kilometers northwest of the Lucknow, the train's final destination. On the board, the train was money that had been collected from the various railway stations en route by that was to be deposited at Lucknow by the British. In a well-planned operation, Ram Prasad Bismil led a band of 10 revolutionary activists who stopped the train, and the train guard and the passenger was forced to open the safe in the guard quarter before the filling with the cash found within. The riders were members of the newly established Hindustan Republic Association HRA, a militant organization decided to freeing the India from British rule through the revolution, including armed revolution. To fund their activity, the HRA carried out the raids such as the train robbery. Arrest in this conspiracy. Within a month of the attack, more than 2 dozen of HRA members had been arrested for conspiracy by the British, and for having the act, more arrests followed. In the some 40 people were rounded up. 29 individuals were put on the trial before the special magistrate at Lucknow. Of those, 3 include Chandrasekhar Azad, a leader of the HRA, remained a large, and 2 others became the witness for the prosecution in the written of lighter sentence. The final judgment. The final judgment were pronounced on April 16, 1924. 3 led 4 men were sentenced to death, and 1 was given life imprisonment. Most of remaining defendants were being prison sentenced up to 14 years. Along through 2 were acquitted and 2 more were pardoned. Azad remained up and was killed in an encounter with police in February 39. The severity of the sentence, particularly the capital punishment, provoked considerable outcry among the general Indian populace. And this is all about the final judgment. And this is some pictures of the Kakori train robbery. As we can see, this is that train that our brave freedom fighter who want to be our independence of India, they robbery this train, and this is the actual image of then how they robbery this train, and this is the compartment where the money were stored. And this is the picture from the newspaper that printed in this British Raj. And this is the weapon that used to success this robbery. And this is picture of our brave freedom fighter who gives their life for our independence of our India. And that's all my in PPT. Thank you so much and have a nice day.